I thought I'd bring you to my messy desk. And it's the morning after Independence Day here in the United States, and I woke up late. My neighbors were firing off fireworks, and it was the really big ones. I actually hadn't heard these fireworks before. They were really big, and they were firing them off until midnight, playing music. So I was really tired this morning when I woke up. I think somebody called the police on them because police did drive by my neighborhood. Yeah. But anyway, just wanted to show you something here that I've been working on. This is a notebook. Yeah, strange as that may seem. This is made from a birthday card I was given. And so I cut up the card. I got some pieces here that I'm going to keep and use them in other projects. I got to cut this out here, but I used part of the card to make this, and this idea isn't anything new. It's a zine style notebook, and I got the idea from Leonardo El Gallo. Leo, if you're watching this, hi. And he started making these notebooks. I'll put a link to his channel, and I decided I wanted to try one. He uses like boxes of pizza boxes or drink boxes to make the covers. And I had a box. I had a pizza box, and it was quickly disposed of by my wife because she was wondering why did I have a pizza box in my stash of paper, and she threw it away. So oh well. So I got these cards, this birthday card, and I really liked it. I really liked the birthday card, and I cut out and glued together. And as you can see, we have a little bit of pages here. This is just cardstock. It's taped up. I didn't have any better tape to use here, so this is just one 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock cut down the middle and then folded so it opens up kind of like an accordion. And you can see the back end of the card there. I kind of messed up this side. I slipped with the knife, my knife here, and I cut into the wrong side. Oh well, I'll just probably tape that up or something. But then I glued this on the back. I glued this end paper here. I had some spare from another project that I was doing, and I glued that there. I'll probably glue another end paper on this side. And I'm not going to journal with this. I want to try like an art journal or collage journal. I don't know what you call it. Or junk journal maybe. But I'm going to try that. Maybe some sketches in here, because this cardstock is, I want to say 180 pound. I think that's what it was. I don't have it here. Where's my cardstock? I don't have it here, but it's just regular cardstock. And so you got all this here. I thought it was pretty neat, and I just wanted to share. Thanks for watching.